In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Microsoft Outlook, a quick and easy 2025 guide. Let's dive in and make sure your Outlook profile reflects just the way you want it to. First, you'll want to head over to your Outlook account. To do this, simply open your web browser and navigate to the Outlook website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't already logged in, you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll be at your main Outlook email page where you can see all your emails and settings options. Next, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your current profile icon. It might be your initials or perhaps an outdated photo you want to update. Click on this profile icon. Doing so will open a small drop-down menu providing a few options specific to your account. Now, within this drop-down menu, go ahead and click on your initial or current profile picture again. This will take you to a more detailed view of your profile. From here, you'll see a link or button that says Add a Photo. Click on it. This is the gateway to updating your profile picture. Before you move forward, make sure you have the new photo you want to use readily accessible on your device. You don't want to be scrambling to find it once you're mid-process. Now it's time to upload your photo. Click on the option to add a photo. This will open a dialog allowing you to search your device for your new picture. Navigate through your files, find your saved photo, and select it. When you've chosen your image, you'll be guided to the upload page. Outlook supports JPG, PNG, or GIF file formats, so ensure your picture is in one of these formats to avoid any upload issues. After you've selected your image, you'll have the option to crop and adjust it. Take a moment to position it just how you'd like, so it looks perfect when someone views your profile. Once you're satisfied with the appearance of your picture, proceed to hit either the Save or Apply button. This action will confirm your updates and set your new profile picture. Give it a few seconds to process, and there you have it. A newly updated profile picture. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed your profile picture on Outlook. Updating your profile can help your contacts recognize you more easily, reinforcing your professional image, or simply keeping things fresh. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check our other guides for more helpful tips.